sa inyo pong pagsali. Now, for this year, we are very much excited to share with you the theme that we have for this year. But before I do that, I would like to ask you to turn your attention to the screen as we share with you a video of how successfully we have been able to run the campaign, the contest last year. So please watch this.
JTI Philippines Senior Larawan Photo Contest 2023, ang Pinoy Matibay. A celebration of the Filipino strength in adversity during the pandemic as captured through the art of photography. In collaboration with over 35 photo clubs, generating hundreds of entries from professional and amateur photographers all over the Philippines. Judged by a panel of award-winning Filipino photographers. And JTI Philippines General Manager.
There were some fantastic entries and many entries, which makes it a challenging exercise. However, I think we've genuinely come out with some outstanding winners. I think there's a lot of talent in the Philippines, and particularly in photography. You can see it comes through loud and clear, and they made our job very difficult.
What matters is actually the composition and the timing of the photograph.
For this competition, I was mainly focused on the experience of the Filipinos to meet the goal of the competition to show the triumph of the Filipino spirits.
I think metric-wise, it's more on kung ano yung authentic and usually more on kung ano yung lived experiences being Filipinos.
I saw a lot of Sikh-inspired photographs. It affected my judgment greatly because I love looking at the combination of good light, good story, good timing. I prioritize the storytelling of each photograph rather than the technical aspect. It's the way you see the world that matters.
The winning photographic stories were unveiled to the public in an exhibit that started with a awarding ceremony.
What we will be seeing are more than just images. These are stories of courage, of hope, and of triumph.
The appreciation for visual storytelling and the profound love for the Philippines and its people. Hence, ang team po namin is Pinoy Matibay. Congratulations to the winners. We celebrate the winning spirit of the Filipino people.
2 million pesos in total cash prizes were given to the winning photographers at their clubs.
I am so happy because we are valued by GTI.
Yung photo ko na yun is about siya sa livelihood na isang normal Filipino. Sa mga tinuro din sa akin ng mentor ko, always be different pagka nagsali sa mga competition na ganyan. Always submit something different, something may approach na nakakaiba sa mata ng mga judges. Kahit ganun kasimple yung bagay na ginagawa nila sa live. Alam mo yun, yung nire-represent yung tibay ng Pinoy.
Kung ma-document ng habang sa gitna ng chaos, nakita ko yung nakita ko yung rainbow nakita ko yung sinag So, nakailang shot ako doon hanggang sa bumper effect ko na rin yung kuha ko. So kung makita yung kasi yung mga nag-rest din yung araw na yun doon sa Sudo.
And the stories will be immortalized in a photo book and calendar. This is the story of JTI Philippines Senior Larawan Photo Contest 2023, ang Pinoy Matibay.
Okay, so there you go, the 2023 JTI Philippines Senior Larawan Photo Contest. So I would just like to point out again, we just like to run you through the winners from last year's contest. So of course, as shown in the video, our grand prize went to Michael Marcas of the Press Photographers of the Philippines for his photo entitled Fireman. There you go. And then the first runner-up was Urban Farming by Emerson Katindoy from the SLR Camera Club. There you go. And then you also actually recognized 10 Circle of Excellence awardees. So these were Carl Masabio Corpus and Michael John Cortez of Pitic South Cotabato. We have from the Photographers Club of Cebu, Limuel Pantuhan. And then from the Cordillera Press Photographers, Harley Pananchao. And then from Focus Bulacan, Jeremy Sandel. And then from Puto Walkers, we our Circle of Excellence awardees were Jem Almon Cañada, Seth Nunez, and Ray Macale. From another one from the SLR Camera Club, Aiko Angela Ramos. And another one from Press Photographers of the Philippines, Marty Sandino San Juan. Okay, so you see all their winning photos there. And we in JTI actually have the privilege of seeing these winning photos every month because we have all of the JTI employees we have the JTI Sinagarawan calendar on our desk. So we flip through all the winning photos month on month. Now, of course, the reason why we wanted to have you here and we invited you to today's event, because building on the success of the 2023 Sinagarawan Photo Contest, we are launching the second year of the competition. And our theme this year underscores how Filipinos have an enterprising mindset. Yeah. So we have the drive, and we have really the strength, and we always do the hard work. Do we agree? Are you all in agreement with that? We are all hard workers, correct? Yes. Okay. Parang hindi kayo naniniwala masipag tayong lahat. Yes, we all are very hardworking. And this uniquely Filipino creative and entrepreneurial spirit lives on, and we now see it thriving in new ways and channels. It continues to evolve from one generation to the next. Live selling on social media, you're all very much aware of this. You see this all the time, but it's actually reminiscent of our Suking Tindahan. If you want pasalubong, what do? We do pasabay. Pasabay. And when we have social enterprises giving new perspectives to traditions and helping transition our artisans to fit the modern context. Salin Likha, Salin Diwa is the teaching and passing on of that creative and enterprising spirit. So, such a beautiful phrase. The first time we saw it, we fell in love. Salin Likha, Salin Diwa. And this is experienced through the living examples of individuals who embrace the grind to uplift their lives, families, communities, heritage, culture in any and every way possible. For this Sinagarawan 2024, we're excited to continue supporting our photographers, supporting you and your respective photo clubs. All the winners will receive a cash prize, and the top 3 will also receive a Sinagarawan trophy. Our grand prize will be hailed as Sinagarawan of the Year and will receive 150,000 pesos in cash, with 30,000 pesos in cash to be awarded to the photography club which he belongs to. Our first runner-up will get 120,000 pesos in cash, and 25,000 pesos will go to the club. The second runner-up, we have the second runner-up this year. They will win 100,000 pesos in cash with 20,000 going to the photo club. And we will name 8 winners for the Circle of Excellence. And these 8 winners, why 8? There's a special story behind that. So it's representing the 8 rays of the Philippine sun on the Philippine sun, like we own our own sun. Okay, it represents the 8 rays of the sun as depicted on the Philippine flag. Ayan. So there's a very beautiful story behind the determination of 8 winners for the Circle of Excellence. So each will receive 80,000 pesos with 10,000 pesos going to the photo clubs. We're also introducing new special awards category, and all these are based on all the comments, the feedback, and all the observations that we gained from the first successful run of the photo contest. So this year we have special awards, and we are naming them the Region Awards. And through this special category, we aim to recognize the top 3 photographers from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and Metro Manila. So this means that 12 participants will win 50,000 pesos each. And of course, this is a favorite category, especially among the JTI employees. We will continue to have the JTI Employee Choice winner. So this will continue to be a part of the special awards category, and the winner for this will receive 50,000 pesos as well. So we invite you to capture these stories of the Filipinos' inherent creativity, grit, and tenacity. And we hope that with your photographs, we can inspire more people to be better, to do better, and to take pride in all that it means to be Filipinos. Because God knows, we all need whatever little source of inspiration we can to continue feeling proud that we are Filipinos. And we in JTI, the JTI Sinagarawan, wants to invite you to be those sources of inspiration for that one. So we are now accepting entries for Sinagarawan 2024, and the deadline for submission is by August 31. Submissions will be and solely through the JTISinagarawan.com website. All the information you need for the contest can be found there. Those of you who have joined the contest last year, because we truly appreciate how you have participated. We have taken strides, we have done extra effort in making the website even more user-friendly. So you will see that later on. So we're really looking forward to all your entries and the stories that your photographs will uncover. So at this point, I would like to call in, because I mentioned the JTI Sinagarawan website already, I'd like to call back Gia, and she will walk you through our JTI Sinagarawan website so that you will see just how easy and much more user-friendly it is now.
Alright, thank you, Ms. Faith, for expounding on our theme for this year. That we have put together for Sinagarawan 2024. Okay, so as Ms. Faith already mentioned, everything is on the JTISinagarawan.com website. So if you notice, ito po ang ating homepage. So if you go to the website, ito na yung makikita natin. You can also access the website via your mobile phone or your tablet. So whatever device you're using, you'll be able to go to it. So there's only one way to submit the entries, and it's through here. JTISinagarawan.com. So before submitting your entry, make sure you've read and understood our contest mechanics. So if you see the tab, nasa taas naman po siya, contest mechanics are there. And that you have seen also the terms and conditions and privacy policy on our footer tab. So it's here. Okay. So they're all on the website, so please check them out before submitting your entries. The website also includes a gallery of Sinagarawan 2023 winners and our news and updates tab. So let's go to the entry form, which you can access with the enter now. So it's either here or the submit entry buttons on the website itself. So if you click on either of those two buttons, you'll see na po the application form. So in the form, it basically requires your details, like your full name and contact number. So just as a pro tip, please make sure po that the name you register would match a valid ID. Since that's going to be really important once we're confirming the identities of the finalists. Okay, so the Sinagarawan 2024 welcomes all members of photography clubs, invited photography clubs, who are this is really important, who are 18 and above. So please note po that minors are not eligible for the competition. So one of your requirements is your proof of membership from the club, that you are actually officially part of a photography club. If you are po a independent photographer, okay lang, you can still join. As long po as you are, again, not a minor, 18 years old and above, and you can be endorsed po or recommended by a photography club. So, if you are, hindi naman po kayo official member, but you have somebody who can endorse you from a photography club, that's still okay. Naglagay na rin po kami dito ng recommendation letter that you can use. So you can just download it and have whoever is endorsing you to sign it for you para ma-endorse nila kayo. So since you have to include or submit an affiliation, proof of affiliation, so it's either one or the other. So isa lang naman po. So either proof of membership of your club or the recommendation letter. So no need for two, just one will do for when you do your application form. Finally, your photo entry should include a title, a brief description in English that underlines how it relates to the theme, which is Saling Likha, Saling Diwa, and then the locale. Kung saan niyo po kinuha yung inyong photo. So, whatever barangay or actual like landmark, etc. It needs to be there because we want po to highlight also where the photo was taken, in what part of the country as well. So each participant can only submit one photo entry. So one lang po per participant, taken between January 2022 to August 2024. So since our deadline of submission is August 31, anything that you've taken or photographed between January 2022 and August 2024 is eligible for the entry. Okay, so please ensure po that you follow the technical requirements for the photo entry for a smooth submission process. So nakalagay na rin po dito yung format, file size, as well as the pixels and DPI quality. Yeah, so once you're all set, nalagay na po natin lahat, please click the review entry button, which takes you po to this page. So it helps you, gives you a chance to review all of the required fields, kung lagyan natin lahat ng fields, attach natin lahat ng files na kailangan para accurate na yung entry natin, hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng mistake. So if you need to update the field, okay lang po yun. You can always go back to make changes. If you're okay with your entry, make sure to read our private policy and click the box confirming that you've understood the terms. So please just read the data policy. Then you're all good to go. So pwede na tayo mag-click ng submit entry. So if meron tayong hindi na fill up, pupunta siya doon sa field na yun. So it prompts you or notifies you which fields you have to do. Okay? Yan. Tapos, pag okay na, lagyan mo naman there. Okay, once that's done, you'll be redirected to a page confirming the submission of your entry. So, makakonfirm po siya immediately once you've inputted everything correctly. And then, so makikita niyo po yan, submission confirmed. And then you will also receive an email na confirming your entry for it. So, everything is there. And that's how you submit for Sinag Larawan 2024 photo contest. Saling Likha, Saling Diwa. If you have any questions that you wouldn't be able to ask today, don't worry, you can also still send questions by contacting us at inquire@sinaglarawan.com. We have a contact tab here anyway, so you'll get the email as well. So that's how we go through the Sinag Larawan 2024 entry submission. So good luck to everybody. We're so looking forward to all of your entries this year. Okay, so after that, we're ready for our next speaker for today. He is a full-time documentary photographer that's long tackled the evolving Filipino cultural landscape with his work